She's sa choir. So, nag-drive si Mama Aji while umuulan po. Sa ulan. Lakas po ng ulan. Say hi. Naka-live ba yan? Hindi live, video lang eh.
Ginagawa mo.
Welcome to our vlog. Oh. Welcome to our vlog. Oh. Welcome to our vlog. Bulaga. Ayan, nakita nyo, laki yung bulaga.
Lagi mo may vlog pa.
Magbulaga tayo. Parang di ka na gumagalaw ah. Ulit nga, ulit. Gumagalaw ka pa ba? Hindi mo, parang wala na effect.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Nasa baba yan. Tama itong linya. Linya mo ay tama. Tayo. Kailan. Oh, yun na pala eh. Yung sticking tide na pala eh. 6. Anim sticking tide. Ito natin. Baka nag-charge. Magdadako. Ay. Parang nainig. Di ba si Duterte nag-nainig? Ang kulit eh. Doon ka pa kakanan, hindi pa dyan. Baka kakana. Doon pa sa kanto.
Nakahasard na siya. Nakataw siya.
Minto siguro. Bakit? Ano ginawa mo kuyang taxi? Ay, Pilipinas kong mahal. Bakit napakainit mo? Luto naman tayo ng yun, charging. Nagcha-charge lang. Asan yung April? Hindi nakataw yung taxi.
Kaya nga nakahasard siya eh.
Bakit may pasahero siya? Naku.
Dito tayo kakanan, ma.
Dito. May pasahero pa naman.
Hindi.
Ba't may tao sa loob? O kayo nagtuwa, nakaduyan pa. Bossing ah. ang Pilipinas. Kahit mainit, sana bumango. Kailan mangyayari yun? Babango ang Pilipinas. Oh yeah.
Look at this
Si
dude.
Jan Jan.
Hindi, si Shane.
Si Shane. Tsaka si Jan Jan. Mahusay kayo.
Jan Jan. Wala na si Jan Jan. Wala akong Jan Jan.
Hindi nga, nagaganyan niya sir.
Pero okay na yung camera bro.
Okay na? Ben mo.
Nagaganyan siya. Eh di paano pag online class? Wala na. Hindi na siya.
Hindi, ano lang yan. Loading lang yan ma.
Eh di kaya nga, di pagka online class.
Hindi, hintayin mo lang
Mukhang
mag-load
may
lahat.
virus na ata yung
May pag may virus, ano dapat gawin?
yan ma'am. Kung magpapariformat ka, magpalit ka na ng SSD.
Ah, ganon. Ah, magkano ang SSD?
Yung 120 nasa 2.5.
Gabi.
Yung 240
Eh di bumili ka na lang ng bago.
nasa 3.5. Bago laptop, mas mahal.
Okay, si Jobber. Pagka bibili kayo ng PC tsaka laptop.
Sa akin.
Computer technician ako pero hindi ko tinataga eh.
Hindi mo sinabi ka ma'am, bakit?
Hindi ako nalinya eh.
Ano yun? Nakaka-tense na nakaka-excite.
Hindi ko tinagawa kasi dati, binag-aral ako, di ba? Napapasok ko yung motherboard.
Opo.
Eh, yung ibang wiring, tsaka yung wiring na maliliit, doon ako naiirita. Kaya sabi ko, hindi, gawin mo na lang.
Yung mga mahirap na, doon ako na-excite eh.
Sabi ko doon sa klase ko, gawin mo na lang. Ipasa mo na lang.
Basta ipasa mo.
Oo.
Sana kasi ako ma'am, dati repair shop talaga ako dito. Shop namin yung dati.
Baka kilala nyo, may kaklase ako, IT rin. IT na pangasawa, nagtayo ng ganitong shop, ewan ko kung nandito siya.
Pagka ginaganon na pala bro, kung saan na nagko-close yung
Oo, kasi ano
yung
eh,
sensor
yung sensor
na-
niya.
Ewan ko ano pangalan ng shop niya eh. Pero ang pangalan ng babae, yung pangalan ng babae, Maricar. Pero Hernandez ang apelyido.
Ano pa ba yung ano bang gustong pagawa mo? Pagka pinareformat bro, palit na ng SSD.
Kasi baka mayroon ng bad sector yung hard drive mo.
Pwede.
Kasi pag may bad sector na yan, pag reformat mo, mga after 1 month, depende. Hindi natin masasabi kung ilang araw. Baka
Ayan ha, mga ka-YouTube ha, pakinggan niyo yung
Dagdagan
sinasabi.
lang kami ng 1,000 sa'yo, 2,500 na. Kung tanong mo
hindi. Doon ako may na sa bus.
Ano, may kaklase ako ganyan din. IT, pero sila tinagaan
Ayan.
nila eh.
So, sa mga
Oo,
manonood dito,
pangalan niya, ano,
sirain niyo ulit.
Try nyo para ano, pagawa.